Y'all done seen me get my trailer washed out. Y'all done seen me work on my truck a little bit. Now it's time to get to business. So we're picking this load up in New Wilmington, Pennsylvania, and we're taking it all the way to Middletown, Connecticut, for a total of 561 miles, paying $1,437. Y'all, it is 5 a.m. Did 237 miles in 3 hours 58 minutes. But this space, all I can say is whoa. It look like this is gonna be a blind side with a lot of obstacles in the way. I don't know if I got no room to swing it around. I definitely don't. It may look like it on camera, but I don't know. They only got one dock open. They got other trailers in these doors. We ain't got no other choice but to get it in. Driver stop. You must check into shipping and receiver for backing in. I don't even know if they open. Hours of operation, 7 a.m. to 3:30. All right, cool. So I've been sitting here editing my video. It is currently 7:01 a.m. Y'all seen it. And we getting ready to go knock on this door to check in. Now we got some sunlight out. Y'all can get a better view of what I can see. They do have like a little spin around section down there. I was gonna back all the way out the driveway, spin it around, and then back up through the driveway, but it was too dark for all that backing up. But here's the space. I even tried to, since this trailer stick out further than those two trailers, I kind of took my truck and trailer all the way over that way and tried to cut it up here and turn it. No way. My lines was too close to snapping. So I said, you know what? Just back it up. Maybe they got some kind of solution. Maybe. Please ring bell once. Short. This is what we already looking at. Y'all, how about, and throughout all of this, I done triggered my drive clock. So now my clock is being wasted. Check it out, y'all. Look. Hey, what is up, Slimepack Nation? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another trucking vlog, y'all. I'm just on here to give y'all the details of this load, and we're gonna get straight to the content. So y'all get ready to see me pick up a load in Connecticut. I dropped off in Connecticut, still in Connecticut. So we picking this load up at, is it Canaan, Connecticut, and we taking it all the way to Adrian, Michigan. It is a total of 67 empty miles and 670 loaded miles, with a total of 737 miles. And we coming out of Connecticut, so they ain't paying nothing. This load only paying $904. $904, like, ridiculous. Luckily, I don't have to get no fuel for this trip, because on my last vlog, y'all, I filled up with enough of fuel that will cover for this trip, because fuel was like 20 cents cheaper versus where I'm at here in Connecticut. So kind of saved a little money here and there. It will be a live load. I do remember picking up here before, and the last time I picked up here, it was kind of a struggle, but I feel like we got it today. And it's gonna be a live unload at the drop-off location. Did I even say the drop-off location? In Adrian, Michigan. Yeah, for Friday at 8 a.m. And the day that we picking this load up, it is on a Wednesday. So yeah, so that's all the details that I have. Make sure y'all like this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and let's go. One more thing, Slimepack Nation, P.O. Box. I've been meaning to give y'all my P.O. Box, but I've been forgetting. So y'all should be able to see it down below on the screen. I'm gonna start putting it in my description. People been wanting to send me things, and I'm not about to give y'all my home address, so that's my P.O. Box if you want to send me anything. And if you do send me anything, let me know. So just in case if I'm on the road, I can have somebody to go ahead and pick it up, so my box don't get too full, because I ain't got no big box now. I got that, you know, that budget saving box. So my P.O. Box is down below in the description, and it should be down below on this screen right here. Y'all, we still parked at the same location. Been parked here all night. We do have a load, and we getting ready to get started on that load. I just got done with my pre-trip, was doing my final walk around. Now we getting ready to hit the road.
Ain't it fun?
Y'all, we have arrived here at the pickup location, and cut this music on. I'm a little bit excited because I remember the last time I was here, this was a challenge for me, so I'm kind of excited to see how I'm handle this situation. I came here, I think it was last year. I may insert some clips last year, but ooh, your girl was struggling. But today, I feel confident in myself that we're gonna get this thing handled. Like, I already know what to expect, so I'm kind of familiar with it. It ain't like I'm going in blindly. I know we got to stay to the left of this rail car. The last time I did this, it was like a truck, a tanker truck. I think he was either getting loaded or unloaded, so that was kind of in my way. And also, somebody else was parked back over here. I need this space over here, but y'all see how I don't want to get stuck in there. Here we go. Let's see if we can whip it around. Every inch counts. Yeah, we got it this time. Yeah. Okay. Much better. Much better. Gotta go open these doors. I know I'm gonna have to readjust this. In there, but the dock door sort of at an angle, sort of, not really. I need to move up a little bit and kind of push it that way and push it that way. But for the most part, we got it. This is the issue I had. Like, my trailer gonna be straight in there, but my truck just gonna have to be crooked. Almost. Here you go, flying. Traveling at a speed of 55. Y'all, we in, I think this is Ripley, New York. A lot of times I done stopped here a few times. We're gonna get a little bit of fuel. We're gonna go ahead and get this fueling over with. We made it through all that snow in the more eastern part of New York. As you travel further west, it's not really any snow. I'm just to get me like a few gallons to make it to Ohio. And Ohio fuel there is like 260-ish. I think I seen something like 250-ish. Don't have to worry about nothing in the trailer because this is a dry load and it's still full from the last time I put fuel in it. And I'm gonna go ahead and get me some diff. This truck is filthy, y'all. There's no point in getting no truck washes. But this right here is the first time that I'm getting fuel for this week's pay period. If y'all remember from my last video, I had got extra fuel that'll run into this week. That's good enough. I had to go ahead and put some fuel in. My fuel not low, but it's kind of low. And I know I'm gonna let my truck run for some heat. We get about 4 gallons of this, then we're gonna go over there, park it up, and start back off tonight around maybe 1 in the morning. We only got like 260 something miles left to go. My head hurts so bad. I think I'm just hungry. So we made it over here to our pickup location. My door is already open. We're about to back into one of these docks. Once I back in, gotta slide the tandem all the way back. Y'all, just know we made it here. I got sick yesterday. I was down bad, but we here. My last time I came here, they changed my load into a dropping hook. They got one prime trailer over there. I don't know if it's loaded or what. But either way it go, I don't know if I told y'all or not, I do have a pre-plan. We picking up from here, and we'll discuss more of that on the next video. Don't want to give y'all too much in one video. And I got a pre-plan after my pre-plan, so I can just go ahead and say this: I'm headed to Alabama, and after Alabama I'm headed to Virginia, and after Virginia we probably headed home to North Carolina. This week coming up will make it 5 weeks since I've been on the road, y'all. I did another 5-week run. That truck gonna have to move out of the way because I got to back into it, right? Got to back into that dock. And I got a DoorDash order coming. I ordered me a sub. go get our DoorDash order. Now that truck is gone, we can back into our spot. I'm so ready to eat this sandwich. Let me see. To get out and look on this. Oh, we good, we good. Now I just gotta take that van down. Left and right, left and right. All right, here go our lunch. We got a turkey sub, and y'all, I was so sick I didn't feel good yesterday, but guess what? I still edited a video. I don't know how, but I got through the editing process of it. We had to sit inside while they unload me. I had to stop eating. He said, you can bring your food inside and eat.